Explore the innovative features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 in our latest review. See how the foldable design, big screen, and one-hand control redefine the smartphone experience. Subscribe for more tech insights. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is not just a smartphone, it's a testament to how far technology has come and where it's headed. With its 2023 release, the Z Fold 5 continues to push the boundaries, offering a glimpse into a future where our devices adapt to us, not the other way around. The Z Fold 5's design is a marvel of engineering. It maintains the book-like fold we've come to know, but with a more refined finish. The icy blue color option is particularly striking, giving the device a cool, sophisticated look. The hinge mechanism has been improved for a smoother folding experience, and the device feels sturdy in hand, reassuring users that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. Unfolding the Z Fold 5 reveals its crowning glory, a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display that's as vivid as it is versatile. The screen is a canvas for creativity, a window for exploration, and a portal for productivity. Whether you're watching high-definition videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or multitasking with multiple apps, the display's clarity and responsiveness are unmatched. At the heart of the Z Fold 5 lies a powerful processor that ensures a seamless experience. Coupled with 512 GB of storage, there's ample room for all your apps, photos, and files. The device handles every task with ease, from editing documents to rendering video content. The Z Fold 5 is not just keeping up with the user's demands, it's staying ahead. The camera system on the Z Fold 5 is a mixed bag. While it may not boast the most megapixels or the fanciest lenses, it delivers where it counts. The photos are sharp, the colors are accurate, and the various modes offer flexibility for different shooting scenarios. It's a camera setup that will satisfy the average user and even surprise the discerning photographer. Samsung's One UI layered over Android provides an intuitive interface that maximizes the foldable's unique form factor. The continuity between the cover screen and the main display is seamless, making the transition between phone and tablet modes feel natural. Samsung has also included features that leverage the larger screen, such as Flex Mode, which adds a new dimension to app interactions. The Z Fold 5's battery life is commendable. It's designed to last through a day of heavy use, which is no small feat for a device with two screens. The IP68 rating for water and dust resistance means that the Z Fold 5 can accompany you on adventures without fear of the elements. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is an exquisite piece of technology that offers a premium experience. It's a device that caters to the needs of power users and tech enthusiasts who crave the latest and greatest. While the price tag is steep, it's a reflection of the innovation and quality packed into this foldable wonder. The Z Fold 5 is more than a phone, it's a companion for the future, ready to unfold the potential of what a smartphone can be.